Hi, I'm Jenny Girl Princess Takshat from Low Ingen, Santo Domingo, Ilocos, and this is my semi-final round entry to Buiwibirit Online Pasay.
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, all 'cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at a crossroad. I'm not at home in my own home, and I'm trying to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Oh, now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I followed the voice you gave to me, but now I've gotta find my own. You should have listened. There is someone here inside, someone I thought had died.